So you've built your avatar image in Midjourney. You've created your custom voice in ElevenLabs. Now here's the moment where it all comes together. Today, we're taking that static image and that audio voice, and we're turning them into a talking avatar that you can use for YouTube, social media, tutorials, whatever content you're creating. I'm Simone Keys, and this is Keys to AI. This is part 3 of the series. And honestly, this is the fun part. You're about to see your avatar come to life. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully animated talking avatar exported and ready to use. We're using HeyGen, and I'll show you the exact workflow I use to create every video on this channel. Let's do this. Before we jump into HeyGen, make sure you've got these 3 things ready. 1. Your avatar image from Midjourney, the high-resolution version you downloaded. If you created both 16.9 and 9/16 versions, grab whichever format matches the content you're making today. 2. Your voice from ElevenLabs. You should have it saved in your voice library. Write down the exact name you gave it. You'll need that in a minute. 3. Your script. Whatever you want your avatar to say. Could be a full video script, a short intro, a social media clip, doesn't matter. Just have the text ready to go. Quick note on pricing. HeyGen has a free plan that gives you 1 credit per month. That's about 1 minute of video, and it'll have a watermark. Good for testing. The creator plan is $29 a month and gives you 200 premium credits. That's about 10 minutes of Avatar V footage per month. If you're creating a lot of content, the Pro plan at $99 a month gives you 1,000 credits, which is about 50 minutes. At the time of recording, that's the pricing. I'll put current pricing links in the description. All right, let's get into it. Go to heygen.com and click Get Started for free in the top right. Sign up with your email or Google. I always use Google, one less password to manage. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the HeyGen dashboard. You'll see several options in the main navigation. We're looking for Photo to Video. Click on Photo to Video or Avatar, depending on your dashboard layout. HeyGen updates their interface sometimes, but the feature is always called Photo to Video or Instant Avatar. You'll see a page that lets you upload an image and select a voice. This is your workspace for creating avatar videos. Here's what's about to happen. You upload your Midjourney image and upload your ElevenLabs voice. You paste your script. HeyGen animates everything and syncs the lip movements to match your voice perfectly. Takes about 2 to 5 minutes depending on the length. Let's build it step by step. On the Photo to Video page, you'll see an upload box for your image. Click Upload Photo or drag and drop your Midjourney image directly into the box. Select your 4-image file from wherever you saved it. Once it uploads, you'll see a preview of your image on the right side of the screen. Now here's something important. HeyGen works best with clear headshots where the face is visible and centered. That's exactly what you created in Midjourney, so you're good. If your image has any issues, like the face is cropped awkwardly or too much background, HeyGen will flag it. But with a proper Midjourney headshot using the settings from Video 1, you won't hit that problem. Below the image preview, you'll see options for 4 type. You'll see 4IV and Unlimited. 4IV is HeyGen's standard quality. Unlimited is their premium quality with more natural movements. 4IV is what most creators use, and it's what I use for this channel. It looks professional and the lip sync is solid. Select 4IV unless you're willing to pay more for Unlimited. Now look at the script section on the right side. You'll see a text box with placeholder text that says, type your script here or upload on record audio. We're going to upload the audio file you generated in ElevenLabs in Video 2. This is the quickest way to get started and make sure your custom voice is used exactly as you created it. Click on Upload, Record Audio. That's the link right in the script box. A file browser will pop up. Navigate to wherever you saved your ElevenLabs voice file from Video 2. It's an MP3 file. Select your voice file and click Open. HeyGen will upload your audio. This takes just a few seconds. Once it's uploaded, you'll see a waveform appear in the script box showing your audio file. That means your custom voice is loaded and ready. Your Midjourney image is in. Your ElevenLabs voice is in. Now let's add your script. Now that your voice file is uploaded, scroll down if you need to, and you'll see the script section fully visible. Right now, it shows your uploaded audio waveform. Below that, you can paste your script text if you want. But here's the thing. You don't actually need to paste text if you've already uploaded audio. The audio file you uploaded already contains your complete voiceover. HeyGen will use that audio to animate your avatar. The script text box is optional when you upload audio. It's mainly there for reference or if you want to use HeyGen's built-in text-to-speech instead. Since we're using your custom ElevenLabs voice file, you can leave the text box empty or paste your script for your own reference. Either way works. Just make sure your uploaded audio is showing in the waveform. As long as you see that, you're good to go. Your image is loaded, your voice is uploaded, you're ready to generate. At the bottom of the page, you'll see a button that says Generate Video or Submit. Click that. HeyGen will start processing your video. You'll see a progress bar, usually takes 2 to 5 minutes, depending on how long your audio is. While it's processing, HeyGen is doing 3 things. It's analyzing your image to map facial features, it's syncing those features to your voice audio, and it's animating lip movements, head movements, and eye blinks to match the audio naturally. This is the part where you can grab coffee, check email, whatever. Just let it run. Once it's done, you'll see a preview player. Hit play and watch your avatar come to life.
Hey there! If you've ever wondered how to create your own AI avatar that can present videos for you, maybe you're camera shy, or you just want to streamline your content creation, you're in exactly the right place. Today I'm walking you through the whole process, and trust me, it's way easier than you might think.
Check for 3 things while you watch. Does the lip sync match the audio? Do the head movements look natural? Does the voice sound clear and aligned with the animation? If something feels off, maybe the lip sync is delayed or a word got mispronounced. You can regenerate by re-uploading your audio or adjusting your image and hitting Generate again. But most of the time, especially with a clean Midjourney image and clear ElevenLabs audio, it comes out solid on the first try. Happy with the result? Let's download it. In the preview window, look for a download button, usually at the bottom or top right of the player. Click Download. HeyGen will export your video as an MP4 file. Depending on your video length, the export takes 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Once it's done, the file will download to your computer. That's it. You now have a talking avatar video file ready to use in your content, upload to YouTube, post on social media, or edit into a larger project. Your avatar done. But before you go, let me share a few best practices and things most people get wrong. Okay, here's what separates people who use avatars well from people who make them look robotic and weird. And real quick before I get into this, if you signed up for HeyGen using my link in the description, thank you. That helps support the channel and lets me keep making tutorials like this. All right, let's talk best practices. First, script like you talk, not like you write. If your script sounds stiff on paper, it'll sound even stiffer when your avatar says it. Read it out loud before you generate. If it doesn't flow naturally when you say it, rewrite it. Second, keep your avatar clips short when you're starting out. Don't try to record a 30-minute video in one take. Break it into 2 to 5-minute segments. It's easier to manage, easier to fix if something goes wrong, and it keeps the energy up. Third, lighting matters in your Midjourney image. If you used harsh lighting or weird shadows when you generated your avatar, those will show in the animation. Stick with soft natural lighting like we covered in video 1. Fourth, match your voice tone to your avatar's appearance. If your avatar looks professional and serious, don't pair it with a super casual, overly energetic voice. The visual and the audio need to feel like they belong to the same person. Fifth, use your avatar strategically. Don't force it into every frame. Mix avatar segments with screen recordings, B-roll, slides, whatever fits your content. The avatar is a tool, not the entire video. And finally, test your full workflow before you commit to batch production. Create one complete video start to finish. Upload it, watch it, get feedback. Make sure it works the way you want before you create 10 more. Let's take a step back and look at what you just built. You created a professional avatar image in Midjourney. You designed a custom voice in ElevenLabs. You animated them together in HeyGen, and now you have a talking avatar you can use across unlimited videos without ever being on camera. That's a complete workflow. 3 tools working together to give you a consistent visual identity for your content. Most people stop at one tool. They generate an image and don't know what to do with it, or they create a voice and it just sits in their library. You connected all 3 pieces, and now you've got something you can actually use. That's the difference between playing with AI and building with it. If this series helped you build your avatar, subscribe to Keys to AI. I create practical AI tutorials like this every week. Workflows, tools, strategies that actually work for solopreneurs. Drop a comment and tell me what you're going to use your avatar for. YouTube, social media, client presentations, I want to know. I read every single comment. I'm Simone Keys. See you in the next video.